Welcome to English with Janet. In this lesson, you'll learn the difference between ed and ing adjectives. Before I start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bells so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, let's come back to our lesson. Do you know the difference between bored and boring? Before I tell you the difference between bored and boring, I want to test your grammar. Now look at these examples, sentences. Number 1. You look really blank. Why don't you go to bed? Answer A, tired. Answer B, tiring. Number 2. My neighbor is always playing loud music. It is very blank. Answer A, annoyed. Answer B, annoying. Number 3. I was really blank that I won the competition. Answer A, surprised. Answer B, surprising. Number 4. She didn't call about the car. I don't think she's blank in buying it. Answer A, interested. Answer B, interesting. Number 5. His exam results were really blank. Answer A, disappointed. Answer B, disappointing. So please write your answer in the comment below. Okay, now let's talk about bored and boring. I feel bored because the lesson is boring. So the lesson is the reason I feel bored. So ed adjectives describe the feeling, and ing adjectives describe the reason you have that feeling. If the lesson is interesting, I feel interested. If something is tiring, I am tired. If something is relaxing, I am relaxed. If something is surprising, I am surprised. If something is exciting, I am excited. Adjectives that end in ed, example, bored, interested, and adjectives that end in ing, example, boring, interesting, are often confused. Now, let's talk about ed adjectives. Adjectives that end in ed generally describe emotions. They tell us how people feel. For example, I was so bored in that lesson, I almost fell asleep. Another example, he was surprised to see Helen after all those years. One more example, she was really tired and went to bed early. Now, let's talk about ing adjectives. Adjectives that end in ing generally describe the thing that causes the emotion. Like, a boring lesson makes you feel bored. For example, have you seen that film? It's really frightening. Another example, I could listen to her for hours. She's really interesting. She's so interesting. One more example. I can't sleep. That noise is really annoying. Here are some adjectives that can have both ed and an ing form. Annoyed, annoying. Bored, boring. Confused, confusing. Excited, exciting. Frightened, frightening. Interested, interesting. Surprise, surprising. Tired, tiring. Worried, worrying. Do this exercise to test your grammar again. Number 1. She's a big dog, but you don't need to be blank. Answer A, frightened. Answer B, frightening. Number 2. The instructions for my new cafe machine are really blank. Answer A, confused. Answer B, confusing. Number 3. I love my math teacher. Lessons with her were never blank. Answer A, bored. Answer B, boring. Number 4. That shop never has any customers. I'm blank. It's still there. Answer A, surprise. Answer B, surprising. Number 5. The battery on my phone only lasts about 2 hours. It's really blank. Answer A, annoyed. Answer B, annoying. Number 6. I was blank, but I didn't get the job. Answer A, disappointed. Answer B, disappointing. Number 7. I'm reading a really blank book. Answer A, interested. Answer B, interesting. And number 8. The children were so blank that they couldn't sleep. Answer A, excited. Answer B, exciting. So please write your answer in the comment below. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. I'm Chandrat, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Have a great day!